Today we will learn the satin stitch. If you don't already know me, my name is Vesna. Welcome back to my channel. My wish is to teach you how to embroider and how to use embroidery in everyday life. If you would like more embroidery content, please like and subscribe. Welcome to the class. Today I am making two small stop stitches to avoid having knots on the back side. These two small stop stitches will later be covered with the satin stitch. When I want to make perfect satin stitch, then I draw the lines and then I first embroider the main lines and fill the empty spaces in between. Here I will show you how the backside of my hoop looks like. As you can see, when I use two stop stitches, I avoid having the knots on the backside like I have at this stitch.